How to add background on Zangi app. Do you guys want to customize your background on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now scroll down. You can see the option for appearance. Click on it. To change your background, just simply tap on background over here. Now click on the option choose from photos. Browse to the photo that you want to add as a background. Once you choose it, now click on done. Now go back to your home page and select this another options over here. Once you click on it, your background will be changed as you guys can see on preview. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change background on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.